Hi, I'm Lucy from Lucy B, and today I wanted to show you the Lucy B range. We've got a skincare range, self-tan range and body care range. All of our products are 100% palm oil free, cruelty free and vegan, using natural and organic ingredients. They're also, majority of the range is Soil Association approved, so Cosmos Organic or natural. We've got a self-tan range which uses a natural DHA and has also got hydrating properties in it. Majority of the range is also dermatologically tested and suitable for sensitive skin, with a wide range of the products being fragrance-free due to customer demand. We launched in 2020 with the skincare range, and you may know of us before because we sell organic fair trade coconut oil, but our three products that we launched with is our core collection. So this is a range which really helps with soothing and hydrating the skin barrier. It's also, all of the range is suitable and dermatologically tested for breastfeeding and pregnancy, but these three products really help with reducing redness, skin barrier repairing. Our newly launched AHA and PHA tonic really helps with exfoliating the skin, boosts cell renewal, brightens the skin and the overall complexion. They're definitely must-haves in your range. We've created a SPF, which is a 2-in-1 SPF for daily use that you'll want to wear all year round. It's so important to wear SPF daily, and we wanted to create something that was lightweight, broad spectrum SPF 30, which has got hyaluronic acid in it. It's a beautiful everyday daily SPF. I'm just going to show you that now on my hand, how lightweight it is. There's no white cast, it's suitable for all skin tones. Another thing that we're really conscious of and work hard to do is make sure that the products are as environmentally friendly as possible. So we use aluminium where possible, glass, and we've also used 100% PCR for the products that are plastic as well. So for us as a business, sustainability, ethical as we can be, is really at the forefront of everything we do, while also creating results-driven products using ingredients that are going to make a massive difference to the skin. Another one is our retinol alternative vitamin A eye serum, which gives the same results as retinol. It helps with fine lines, boosting elasticity, it helps with hydrating the eye area and puffiness as well. We've got a strong customer base with a lot of reviews and before and after reviews on our website that you can see for yourself, which is www.lucyb.com. As I said before, we're palm oil free and its derivatives. This is something that is really important to us as a brand. Over 70% of cosmetics contain palm oil, and it's causing a devastating effect on the planet. So we want to make a genuine difference with the products we launch, while also making a difference to our customers' skin and also catering for sensitive skin as well. So giving you the results, but not being harsh on the skin in any way. Our products as well, majority are ethical Best Buy, and we are very hot on our customer service, and being a UK family business, all of our products are also made and manufactured in the UK as well. I really hope you enjoyed listening to this, and I look forward to hearing from you. Any questions, let me know. Thank you, bye.